Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready and beginning the update now. Sign into your PSN account, confirm a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection, and make sure system software is up to date so app updates run smoothly. Once done, check storage space and enable automatic downloads under settings to allow updates in the background. Then move to your library or the app icon. Do not wait. Begin the app update process by selecting Check for Update or pressing the Options button. You now perform the core steps to get the update installed. Select the application, press Options, and choose Check for Update or Update. That forces the Ps4 to fetch the latest patch. Make sure to watch notifications under Downloads so you can see progress and any errors. Pause and resume if needed. If you prefer background installs, enable Install in Rest mode and ensure Stay Connected to the Internet is on. Once the download completes, the Ps4 will install automatically before you launch the app. You finish by verifying the update and resolving common failures. Launch the app to confirm the new version and test online features. If it won't start or the update didn't apply, reboot the Ps4 and check notifications again. For persistent issues, use Safe Mode and choose Rebuild Database to fix corrupted files. This often restores missing updates. If problems continue, delete the app and re-download it from library. That fresh install is a reliable last resort before seeking further support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.